Hey Mark, it's Colin. Okay, so I want to show you a trick here. Say you have an image like so. Well, what you can do with Dreamweaver, and I'm not sure what version you're working with. I think it's CS5. But anyways, you have this class selector down here when you have your whatever it is, text, image, anything like that. Right? So you select the picture, for example. I've just thrown it into a page here just so we can do some fun stuff. You see this class, right? So if you use this little selector thingy here, there's this add multiple classes. Okay, now we've tried to do a lot of the work for you already. As you can see, there's a crowd of classes in here, right? But we've tried to do a lot of the stuff already. So if we were to um, just go find the float, so the float left or right. Okay, something weird is going on here. I just got your bootstrap um, thing here, and yeah, this has been modified. Images shouldn't really. I'm just going to double check. It shouldn't be automatically floating left. No, it should only have vertical align middle. I would ask that you go into your Bootstrap CSS and remove that. I'm not sure why Bootstrap is being updated though. That's strange. Unless you're being prompted to, save the CSS when you're doing a change in the site. And maybe there's a preference setting in your version of Dreamweaver that is different than mine, but I've never been prompted to update Bootstrap itself. It should not be. You do not want to edit anything within the bootstrap.css, which you've already mentioned, which is cool. But go into your bootstrap CSS, go to line 243 and get rid of float left and margin left, okay? Get rid of that and save, because that doesn't belong there. Okay. Okay, so this is more how we want our image to appear, because we don't want it to be floating automatically, right? So that's the one fix. Okay, so back to what I was showing you here. Right, sorry, interruption in the video there. Right, okay, so there are built-in floats within Bootstrap, which is really cool, or actually things we've also applied here. So let's say you want this image to float right. So you go down to your image circle, the add multiple classes, right? And what you're looking for is a pull. There's pull left and pull right. Those are floats. So you do a pull right and then OK. And there you go. Now the image is floating all the way over to the right, right? And if you wanted to do a pull left, right? I mean, if you want to do a pull left, I would cheat. I'd just go to the code view, change it from pull to left like so. But this is kind of cool because now you can add classes to your image just through the add multiple classes, and then you can do different things with it. I mean, if there's no class applied, you can just still use the add multiple classes. You probably always want to use the image circle. Okay, sorry, you always want to have at least image responsive, so that way it resizes on mobile devices. Okay, so that would be, and yeah, I know there's a lot of them, but there's also a lot of options. So, of course, with mobile design, there we go. So we've got image responsive is the one you always want to have. Image circle applies a circle sort of around the image. Um, Anyways, I hope that helps to answer your question about floating. So that way, if you use the specified styles that are in there, it won't be updating Bootstrap. All right, now to continue with that train of thought, what about the whole padding thing? Well, we'll do the added multiple classes. Now we have in here, and this is where you get to play around with stuff. We have all these, see these margins here? Margin bottom 1, 10, 100, 25. We have the go up, we have margins and paddings, increments from 1 to 200. 1 to 10, there's one for each, and then it goes up in increments of 5, and then whatnot. But anyways, you can see margin left, right, top, right, and then if you scroll down to padding, okay, same thing, padding. Now margins and paddings are similar. Paddings are applied to anything with inside the tag element. Margins are applied outside the tag element. With an image, you'd want to use a margin. Okay, so you'd find the margin that you want to have here, and just for fun, let's do a margin something of big value number just so you can see here. So margin left, that would be 95. Okay, and what happens when we, has that been applied? Oh, it didn't apply. What's going on there? Anyways, you get the idea. Oh, I didn't use the check mark, did I? Margin left, let's go 100 and OK. And there we go. See how it pushes everything over? Yeah, right. Okay, font awesome. What we actually did with that one there. Go to the index page. And this is something we've started. Let me see what we got going on here. There we go. We are now loading Font Awesome in from the CDN, or Content Delivery Network. And if you went to your templates page here, you can actually go and just update it through one page here. So whatever version they're providing, you can now just grab the link and pop it right in here into your template DW2, save it, and update it. I haven't seen any. I've only been working with 4.00 recently anyways, but I know they're updating all the time. But that's where you'd grab the link from the Font Awesome website. You just pull that up here. Yeah, so just go to the Get Started, scroll on right, and there it is right there. You see 403. All you got to do is change the number. Up, 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 up. So you'd be 4.0. You just go 403. Save it. Boop. You get this little update pages, and guess what? Now you're done. Or if you're doing a video like me, it takes a while to. There we go. It's updating all your pages right now. My video is killing my processor right now, though. Okay, now the icon you're using for your contact is the Font Awesome icon, obviously, and you can use these additional, FA large, which makes it a little bit bigger, which is 30%. Yeah, it tells you right here. It tells you what size increase it does here. It gives you an example. So you would find that in your contact panel, I believe. Here it is here. And right down here, contact close. Right, so there's the open and close icon. So you would add in that little snippet of whatever it is you want. So FA large. So you just grab this FA-LG or 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x and pop it right in there. Okay, and just do the same for the for both of them right here. Okay, and that bumps up the size a little bit. Okay, what was the other question on the other pages there? Right, so I see you've got the logo down here without now. That's fine and dandy. It actually looks pretty good. I'm just having a thought. You may want to put it, you can center align it if you want to. But I would almost think that, yeah, you could actually even make the font, you know what, you could even make the font bigger. What you have going on here with these pictures in the background, because they're all theme type pictures, they're showing off, things that are theme related to the site. This is where a logo would be a perfect to make it centered and larger if you wanted to do that. There we go, something like that. And I just went into the the primary.css, and I've just leave the top. Let's make it 120, and I put a width of 100% and text align center, and then we can actually scroll down just a smidgen here. There's a bit more information down below here, right here about line 31, where we have left top width 100% text align center. So that's already there. And fonts.css, sorry. Yeah, here we can scroll down a little bit, go find the website name, font styles. But coming up right here, and then we could really fiddle with the, see the 46? Let's go with 80 just for fun. All right, and then we end up with just a refresh here. See, now you can get the logo really big, and I think it looks kind of sharp, being right over the picture like so. Then we can just reposition the tagline down below. Same process with the tagline would be, primary, where we have the primary, so we'll just go find the fonts. Right, so left, put that, just get rid of the left positioning, width and text align center, like so. Right, something like that. Logo bang in the middle, you can't miss it, so it's a real eye catcher. Building with Tomorrow Technologies today, something like that. I'll put the tagline down below, and that's just a matter of same sort of settings for the tagline: position absolute, top 240, width 100%, text align center. Anyways, I just wanted to share those thoughts with you. Yeah.